guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating on the Christmas and Winter Holidays Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. She asked us to use a tray, some holiday decor items like these ones, and also a sign or a plaque. We are making our sign with this plastic board. And for starters, I want to add this lantern right here in the center. I added a bow. And then I'm going to start adding this beautiful snowman. Some poinsettias here. Let me just, I want to add this candle ring so it adds a little bit of gold. And then I made these snowflakes. If you want to learn how to make them, just leave me a comment down below and I'm gonna show you and make a DIY out of them. I made these beautiful lollipops out of pipe cleaners and a dowel. If you want to learn how I make them, leave me a comment down below and I'm gonna make you a video. And we put our lollipop here because our sign, it's gonna go right here. And look at these cuties. I made these ones with a cinnamon dough recipe I found and added this faux sugar on top of them. Also, if you wanna DIY on this, let me know and I will make a video on how I make these ones. And I want to add some of these cookies here and there because this is my kitchen vignette. And I want to add, I think I will rise this and add a cookie over here. Let's just make our sign so we know where we're gonna put this. This is our sign, as I said. Now we're gonna make our sign over here. Let me just get my paint. We have our paint and I want to make a simple sign that says let it snow.
On the first day of Christmas my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Alright, now we have our sign. As you can see, this is how it turns out, and we can come back to our tray to keep on working on our vignette. And now we have that. We have our lollipop here, the other lollipop here. And this is how it turns out. Now I'm gonna show you in my kitchen where I put this up. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our cookies here. We have our lollipops, our lantern right here with our bowl, our flowers, our other lollipop, our beautiful garland over here, our sign that says let it snow. This is how it's looking. I really wanted it for the top of my toaster oven because up there I just had that lantern right here and it looked kind of lonely. So this is how it's looking. If you want to learn how to make these lollipops, the candy canes, and those beautiful cookies, just let me know in the comments so I can make you a video on how to make all of them. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link for the playlist and also to our host channel. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave